Hey man, let me give it to you straight. The more emotionally available you are, the less she desires you. The more emotionally distant you become, the more she starts craving your presence. And no, this isn't a trick, it's psychology, it's energy, it's masculine polarity. Because when you create emotional distance, you stop being predictable and start being magnetic. She doesn't desire what she has, she desires what she's not sure. She still owns. You used to be easy to read. You text first, you'd open up too fast. You'd be an emotional open book, begging to be understood. And guess what? She stopped reading. Not because you weren't valuable, but because you were too available. And availability kills mystery. And mystery, that's the fuel of feminine desire. So let's talk about what emotional distance really means. It's not coldness, it's not ghosting, it's not playing games, it's self-control. It's the ability to feel something and not act on it. It's the power of not reacting every time she tests your emotions. It's choosing your silence over your need to explain. Because the second she knows she can shake you, you lose the frame. But the second she feels like she can't read you anymore, you own the frame. She starts wondering, is he still into me? Why is he not texting like before? Did I lose him? That uncertainty, it creates desire, it creates tension. And that tension is irresistible when it's coming from a man who's grounded. You're not pulling away to punish her. You're pulling away to protect your peace, to refocus, to remind her that your energy isn't a free subscription, it's earned. You want her to feel something real? Stop giving her emotional security she didn't earn. Stop showing up every time she snaps her fingers. Start becoming inconsistent with your availability and consistent with your mission. You're not here to be her therapist. You're not here to validate her every emotion. You're here to build your kingdom. And if she's worthy, she gets to witness that. But she doesn't get access to you just because she wants it. She has to desire it. And desire is born in space. Here's what happens when you use emotional distance, right? She starts thinking about you when you're not around. She starts checking your story first. She starts texting just to feel some kind of response because she's trying to close the gap. And that gap, that's exactly where her desire lives. Emotional distance makes her respect you because now you're not reactive. Now you're centered. You don't flinch when she pulls back. You don't chase when she tests you. You don't beg for closeness. You create space. And in that space, she starts to realize you're not like the rest. You don't need her energy to feel whole. You are whole. Listen, man. Women want a man who is emotionally intelligent, but emotionally disciplined. That means you can feel deeply, but you don't lose yourself in the process. She needs to feel like she could lose you. Not because you're playing hard to get, but because you've got places to go and purpose to serve. You're not mean, you're not cruel, you're just emotionally untouchable. And that's the version of you she desires most. So from now on, no over-explaining, no emotionally chasing, no trying to force connection. Let the space breathe. Let her feel your absence. Let her chase the version of you that values his energy like it's gold, because it is.